Hey, this is Wes with Missouri Wind and Solar. We're coming to you from our utility room here at the store. We've got the trusty electric dryer pulled up here. What we want to do is show real quick, there's been a lot of buzz on the video about the lint bucket. We want to draw attention to the fact that everything about that video is about an electric dryer. It has nothing to do with gas. I think Jeff's made that very apparent in the video, but we still get a lot of comments every day about you can't do it, you can't do it. So what we wanted to show in this video real quick is we're going to fire this dryer up and show you that an electric dryer is really no different than if you have a space heater or anything else in your house that generates heat by an electric coil, your toaster, anything like that. So we're going to fire this up and show you the back of the dryer and show you that it is electric coils that are generating that heat. So stand by while we get things warmed up. I've got the dryer heating up right now. We're going to kill the light and take a look at the back of this dryer real quick. Okay, you should have seen a nice orange glow back there, and that's the coils in this. Okay, what we wanted to show there is just that the electric coils here are no different than if you've got a space heater in your house or a toaster oven, anything. This project is also, we see a lot of comments about mold. If you're in a high humidity area, this may not be the project for you. Or you need to do some type of put a fan in here to keep the movement of the air going. If you're in a low humidity environment, it's a great project because you're going to be able to recapture that humidity in the area and be able to really take some load off of your overall heating and cooling units because of that. So just wanted to show you how this, we want to always close with this one in particular. This is not about using a gas dryer. This is an electric dryer. That is the key in everything about these videos. It is electric, not gas. So this is Wes with Missouri Wind and Solar. Thanks for checking our videos out.